Okay. Now let's hear what a judge has to say about this.
School officials do not possess absolute authority over their students. Students in school as well as out of school are persons under our Constitution. They have fundamental rights that the state must respect. If a regulation were adopted by a school official forbidding discussion of any war, for example, it would be obvious that that regulation would violate the constitutional rights of students. A T-shirt is a form of speech, and the school cannot forbid the wearing of a T-shirt simply because the principal doesn't like it or the school wants to avoid controversy. Now, if a student's T-shirt would somehow substantially and materially disrupt the work and discipline of the school, there could be a case for banning it. You should also remember that in 2007, the Supreme Court ruled that a student cannot wear a T-shirt or use other means of expression to encourage the use of drugs or other unlawful activities. But end the war now is a political expression, and the student has a right to wear that T-shirt.
Now, here's something that often happens at graduation.
Are we all set, Julie?
Almost, Mrs. Hanson. Just talk for a minute so I can get your sound level.
Okay. I would like to offer this prayer to all of our graduates today. When we place our faith in God, He is sure to move our lives. I thank God for the religious freedom we have in this country to believe in Jesus Christ. For Christ in us is the hope of glory. Amen.
Are you really going to say that at graduation, Mrs. Hanson?
Why not, Julie?
Well, I know you're head of the school board and everything, but not all of our graduates are Christians, and I think some of them might get offended.
But we are Christian here, Julie, and I see no problem with starting graduation with a simple prayer.
So, can the school allow a prayer like the one you just